for the next skill, Algebra 1 P.7. Solve systems of linear inequalities by graphing. This is for grade 9. Y is more than or equal to 2. So, here is y is 2. The line would be like this. It's y equals 2 for all of the values of x. It's a straight horizontal line. Y equals 4 is another straight horizontal line going through 4. There we go. So we just need to understand how to use the program. We know this is going to have to be a dotted line. How do we know that? Because it says less than 4. As for this one, it says more than or equal to 2. So we keep it solid. Solid green line, dotted blue line. Now, here is a region. Let's see what it does for us. No, that's not what I want. Shade. So we click on shade. There we go. Yeah, so see how we did it? We select the green one for the y is more than or equal to 2, solid line. And the blue one for the dotted line, y is less than 4. Then shade this button here. Super. Let's do 2 more questions. X is less than minus 5. Pretty simple if you know what that means. It means a straight vertical line going through x is 5. Here it is. X is less than minus 5. Oh, minus 5. Let's take that all the way here. There we go. So the next one is x is more than or equal to minus 8. Here's minus 8. Now, what needs to be dotted? What needs to be straight? More than or equal to is straight. Less than without the equal to is dotted. So let's make that dotted. So this one is dotted, this one is straight. Go to shade. It's going to be less than this line, more than or equal to this line. Correct. Yes. Now, final one. Y is less than or equal to 2. Easy. We know y is 2, where that is, it's here. Yep, straight horizontal line going through y is 2. Next one, a little bit more complicated. But if you understand mx plus b, b is minus 3. That's where it hits the y-axis. So we can start with that point. Now it says 4x. The easiest way to do that is to go to the point 1 and multiply it. Or we go 1 to the right, multiply 1 by 4, which is 4. We go 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so the slope is 4, the gradient. So every time you go 1 in the x direction, you have to go 4 in the y direction. Now, which one is straight? Which one is dotted? The dotted line is the purple one, 4x minus 3. So we make it dotted by clicking on the line. And the straight one is the purple one, or the dark purple. Well, yes, so we have the dark purple and the light purple. Y is less than or equal to 2. Now it's slightly more complex, more difficult. We need to understand where we are shading. It says y is less than or equal to 2. It's going to be below this line. Y is more than 4x minus 3. It's going to be above this line. So it's going to be this area on the left. Below this light purple and above the dotted. It's here. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah. So it's above this and below this. Correct? Incorrect. The correct answer is, see where I've gone wrong? Minus 3. I've put it in as positive 3. Textbook error. A textbook error. Let's make up for that mistake. Y is 7. Y is more than 2x minus 3. Minus 3. Again, for 2x, we just go 1, 1, 2, 1 to the right, 2 up, for a slope of 2. And the y-intercept is minus 3, which is here. Okay. So that should have been this one. And as for here, it's y is 7. There you go. So less than or equal to, so that would be a solid line. More than 2x minus 3, make it dotted. And because it's more than, we're shading above this dotted line, and less than or equal to is below this solid line. Let's hope this one is correct. There we go. Okay, that's enough.